Imagine stepping onto a land that doesn't feel like Earth. No cars, no chaos, just colors, landscapes, and skies that seem unreal. These aren't sci-fi movie sets. They're real places, real countries that feel like another planet. In this journey, we'll explore 5 such countries where reality bends and Earth becomes a distant thought. This is Lucent Trails, and this is your gateway to the extraordinary. Number 1. Tuvalu, a country floating in the ocean. Tucked away in the heart of the Pacific Ocean is Tuvalu, a country so remote, it barely touches the map. With just 26 square kilometers of land, Tuvalu feels more like a dream than a nation. There are no mountains here, no forests, just coral atolls surrounded by endless turquoise. When you walk on its shores, you feel like you're walking on the edge of the world. Streets are empty. Life is slow. The horizon is your TV screen. The island is so low-lying that when tides rise, the ocean meets the road and then keeps going. In the next few decades, Tuvalu might become the first nation to vanish under rising seas. And yet, while it's still here, it feels like Earth's final floating chapter. Number 2. Kyrgyzstan, the land of celestial mountains deep in Central Asia. Kyrgyzstan rises with rugged pride, a land ruled by mountains and mystic silence. The locals call it the land of the celestial mountains, and once you enter, you fly. Alpine lakes reflect clouds like mirrors. Nomads still live in yurts. Horses roam wild through valleys that feel untouched by time. It's not just the view, it's the silence. A silence that doesn't feel empty, it feels sacred. Kyrgyzstan feels like stepping into an RPG game world like Skyrim, but real. It's Earth, but filtered through imagination. Number 3. Wotan. A spiritual world in the clouds, perched high in the eastern Himalayas. Bhutan isn't just a continent, it's a philosophy, art, and mountains. Here, gross national happiness is more important. There are no sacrifices, no highways, just winding roads, beautiful sign monasteries, and sky-loving mountains. The clouds are holy valleys, the entire nation is like we've left modern Earth alone. Rare flats clutter mountains, bumps and crimson roads chant with family. And every step you take feels like walking through a forgotten spiritual world. It doesn't just look like another planet, it feels like another reality. Number 4. Djibouti, Earth's alien playground. On the Horn of Africa lies one of the planet's strangest landscapes, Djibouti. Specifically, Lac Bassal, the lowest point in Africa, and one of the saltiest lakes on Earth. But it's not just the salt that stuns. It's the cracked ground, the neon blue water, the volcanic fields and gas vents that hiss like something out of Mars. Scientists compare parts of Djibouti's landscape to Jupiter's moon Europa. Here, Earth peels off its green mask and shows you what it really is. Raw, boiling, and beautifully alien. Number 5. Faroe Islands, clouds, cliffs, and isolation. In the North Atlantic, where clouds kiss the ocean, Faroe Islands rise like forgotten giants. Grass-roofed houses on hillsides, sheep outnumber people, and waterfalls drop from the cliffs straight into the sea. Some villages here are only reachable by boat or helicopter. It's mystic, it's moody, it's magical. The sky here isn't just above you, it's surrounds you. Sometimes it feels like we're flying through the clouds, without wings. It's not just another country. It's an emotion dressed as a place. These countries may exist on our maps, but they feel like whispers from another world. Places where nature forgot to be normal and chose to be mythical instead. The question isn't whether they're real. The question is, how long will they stay untouched? If you had a chance to visit just one of them, which one would you choose?